to another video. If you are new here, I'm Jessica the Brat, and if you are not new here, welcome back to another vlog. So I'm about to head out the house. I have some errands to run. I have to get my eyebrows done and then stop at the beauty supply store today. So y'all are about to come with me. This is my bag for the day. I'm seeing whatever. Put on this pink Victoria's Secret hoodie, and then I just have on pink Victoria's Secret leggings and then some UGG Tasmans. And yeah, let's head out because I have to do some errands before I hit my lash appointment. So I just have this bag for the day. Let's go. Alright, so eyebrows is done and I'm about to go to the beauty supply store. Alright, so I'm in the Uber on my way to the lash appointment and it's currently 3:34, but my appointment was at 3:30, but I'm still gonna get there in time or whatever. But I got everything from the beauty supply store that I needed. This is my little list. I'll put it up there so you can see what I was looking forward to getting. But I'll see y'all when I get to the lash appointment. The lashes is done and it's so cute. I love how they look. Get a close up, and they're so full too. So I'm about to head back home and I'll show y'all what I got from the beauty supply store. So see y'all soon. I'm back home now, so I'm gonna just give y'all a little haul of the things I got from the beauty supply store. So I'm gonna start with the little things, and I just have the bag right here. I got this tea tree oil for my hair because I need to wash my hair later on. Some new edge booster. This one says, I don't even know what scent it is, but I just got anyone, to be honest. It's regular. Then I got some Blistex, a new edge brush. I usually be getting the mini ones. Like these are like, I be going out and I just be needing the mini ones, so why not? Then I got my braiding hair for my appointment tomorrow. I'm gonna put like the inspo of what I want on the screen so you can see, but I had got 2 of these. This is $27.30. And then I had got $6.13 because I want like this brown blonde type of look, and I need it to be long, and like they're 52 inches, so hopefully that worked. And then I had got this new body cream. Like I had seen this but in a small version, and I used it on my face, and then I was just like, let me get this body cream, and it's Vaseline, and then it's a glow version too. So like it smells so good. I feel like I'm gonna fall in love with this. But that's really what I got. I got 3 packs of braiding hair and then what I just showed y'all. And I really didn't spend that much, so I'll be back with y'all when I'm getting my hair done or whatever comes up tomorrow. Hey y'all, I'm back and it's the next day. I'm fully ready for the hair appointment. I blowed out my hair and I just threw on this chill fit, which is this Von Dutch hoodie, skim leggings, and then I have on my UGG slippers. And then the scent I'm going to be using is Pink Paradise. It's a Bath and Body spray that I had got for a gift. And then of course I'm going to wear my coat because it's so cold outside. Like, alright y'all, so I just made it to the hair appointment and this is what my hair is giving right now. Crazy, I guess. Alright, so the hair is basically done. Oh, period. Yes, look at my hair. Yeah, it looks so good. Yeah, I'm a blonde girl right now. Period. This AO. Hey y'all, welcome back to another day in today's vlog. Today we'll be cooking some dinner. So what I'm making today is shrimp over rice, and I'm gonna add some broccoli, and then I do have this biscuit to go on the side. This is the shrimp I'm gonna be using. Large shrimp. I think this is jumbo, actually jumbo. The rice is in this container. Then I have this cheesy broccoli here. And then these are the Red Lobster biscuits I'm going to be using. So let's get straight into cooking. Let's play some music. But before that, I'm going to wash my hands. I think I'm going to be using gloves anyway. But yeah, let's wash my hands. Turn me out over here. So this is how it's looking seasoned, and I'm just gonna massage it, like rub it in, and maybe season the other side a little bit, just so it could be flavorful. Especially with like some pepper. Out really slow, as y'all can see, so just adding a lot, and then I'm gonna add more garlic and onion powder, and then it should be good. Yes, that's what I'm talking about.
in my mind. Seem to take a step out, get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mindset. I should've kept from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, yeah, baby, you don't care. Sometimes I be a nuisance, it's just urgent.
Everything is basically almost done, so I'm gonna start the biscuits. And then you just need 3/4 cup cold water, and then you just need some cheddar cheese and the mix. And then the mix comes with like this herb garlic sauce, so I'll just set that to the side. I have my bowl here, I'll show y'all that. See, I get a good angle. Just throw this mix in there. Then I'm just gonna put the water in and the cheese.
Since I disappeared, if you left me feeling like Jericho, feeling like Joe when he lost his shit. Gotta hold my own, my cross to bear alone now.
Alright, so update on how it's going. The shrimp and the rice is done. I'm just waiting on the broccoli, and then the biscuits I just put in the oven, and I set a timer on Alexa. So yeah, I will be seeing that outcome very shortly. And then I'm gonna use this heart plate. Real girly, y'all already know. But yeah. This is what my plate is giving. Real good. And then I'm gonna just test it with y'all. I know y'all see that little light in the background, but I'm recording.